Hey there, Hopper here again, and this time we're looking at the Ace of Questing from the Mage of the Ascension Tarot deck. And I may have mentioned before, aces are always beginnings. And in the case of the Ace of Questing, it's a beginning of a passionate exercise. Wands, or questing in this case, are nearly always about passions and things done with the gut or in relation to instinctual feeling. In this particular case, in the case of the Ace of Questing from Mage of the Ascension, it's about inspiration to passionate endeavors, new beginnings, the beginnings of new relationships that aren't necessarily founded on romantic feelings, but like a strong desire to sort of work together. Aces, the Ace of Questing is largely about new projects and enterprises in their earliest stages, the beginnings of manifestation, spiritual exploration of a sort, and it's the roots of all of those things that you associate with non-romantic feelings. Rage, war, in the most basic sense, love and lust, but not the kind of stuff that forms partnerships. This is the beginning of a one-night stand, for example. Anyway, I've been Hopper, and if you like what you hear, I'm going to keep going with these interpretation series. Feel free to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to find out when I post new content. And if you're feeling particularly generous, head on over to the Patreon page and make a small donation. Anything helps to keep these going, and blessed be.